everyone, welcome back to Bookkeeping Life. My name's Steve Chrysler, and today I want to talk to you about just-in-time learning. The difference between an experienced bookkeeper and an inexperienced bookkeeper is a lot or not much, depending on how you look at it. So when it comes to just-in-time learning though, both experienced bookkeepers use it and non-experienced bookkeepers use it. So you're going to use it throughout your whole career. You use it in everyday life. When you don't know something, you learn it. When you were learning way back when you were learning to drive, you learned certain pieces in order to pass the test, right? And then as you went along in your life, you learned more complex driving, maybe parallel parking or something like that. And maybe you had to learn that in order to get your driver's license. But hopefully you get the idea that we learn every day things that come up and we don't know them. We want to learn if you're cooking something, you want to learn how to make how to bake something that you've never baked before. You look it up, find out how to do it, go through the recipe, go through the instructions, learn as you go, right? So it's called just in time learning. So so now we've established that everybody uses this, no matter what, if you're experienced or non-experienced. So let's look at what a non-experienced bookkeeper. Well, let's start with an experienced bookkeeper. So an experienced bookkeeper goes through this. This is their day, their year, their learning experience at their current level of experience. Okay, they're going throughout their day or their week or year or whatever, and they hit a wall. Boom. Then they go. That allows them to carry on, move on with whatever they're working on, that client, and then boom, later on they hit another wall. They figure out what that issue is, figure out how to solve it, figure out what's going on, and how they learn what the solution is to that problem. So these are problems or walls, right? I call them walls, but they're problems. Okay, so then they go along, boom, another one later on. Now, so this is a timeline. Think of it that way. So now that's an experienced bookkeeper. Now let's look at a less experienced bookkeeper. What does their timeline look like? They're starting out, boom, 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 boom. You know, that's how it is. But as time goes on and as they gain more experience, the gap between these walls increases. So an experienced bookkeeper experiences the same thing. They hit walls, hit things that they don't understand. They have to research it, figure it out. Same thing with the less experienced bookkeeper, but there are more walls along the way. Not a big deal. Learn as you go. We're all doing that. We do it in everyday life. So think of it that way. Think of your bookkeeping career as a series of problems that you have to work through over time. You hit a wall, figure it out, move on. It allows you to go further down that path, hit another wall, figure that out, and then keep moving on. And then over time, these little bumps spread out. Looks like there's a shine on that. So, but I think you get the idea, right? Okay, so let me know what your thoughts are. If you like this, like it, share it, subscribe. Tells me I'm doing something right and you like these kinds of videos and you're learning from them. My goal is to help you start and grow your own bookkeeping business. You can do it even if you don't have any experience. You just start, go along, hit a wall, figure it out. And I'm here for you. The Bookkeeping Life community is here for you. So anytime you hit these walls, reach out. You reach out to me, you reach out to the community, and we're here to help. So good luck on that, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts, or shoot me an email, steve@bookkeepinglife.com. I always reply to all my emails, so shoot me an email if you have any questions or leave a comment in the comment section. All right, good luck. dealing with your walls today. Take care. Hi everyone. If you'd like to learn more, I have a free webinar where I teach you how to quickly set up your own home-based bookkeeping business so you can start earning that extra $1,000 a month or more. In that webinar, you'll learn my step-by-step formula to getting bookkeeping clients. You'll learn how to set up your new bookkeeping business from scratch so you have more control over your time and your life and many more freedoms that come with it. So if you'd like to sign up for that free webinar, just click the link in the description below and I'll see you there. Also hit the subscribe button.